This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the accounts and keys in place. Sign into Roblox Studio and your voice AI provider, then copy API keys into a secure env. Install Node.js and Roblox CLI so you can run local code, and add an HTTP tunnel like ngrok to expose a local webhook. Once done, create a test Roblox place and enable HTTP service. This ensures you can both send and receive requests between Roblox and the external voice AI right away. You now build the middle layer that translates between Roblox and the voice AI. Start a Node.js server that authenticates with the AI provider and exposes endpoints or WebSocket routes. This server handles token refresh, audio encoding, and response formatting. In Roblox, write HTTP service code to post user events and fetch TTS/audio URLs, or open a WebSocket for streaming. Make sure to convert audio formats, PCM, Opus, the AI needs, and test small clips until latency and quality meet expectations. You finish by deploying the proxy server to production and updating webhook and endpoint URLs in both Roblox and your voice AI dashboard. In the Roblox place, fetch or stream the returned audio into a sound object or a buffer-based streamer, then sync character mouth/animations for immersion. Make sure to handle retries and rate limits gracefully. If something goes wrong, examine server logs first, confirm API keys and permissions, and verify Roblox HTTP service is enabled. Fixing those three usually resolves most integration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.